She had worked alongside the same dentist for 9 years. Same office, same patients, same chair. And then one day she noticed something small, a billing code on a patient file that didn't match what she had actually done during that appointment. She checked another, then another. The procedures she performed were being billed as something more expensive, consistently, across dozens of patients. She hadn't submitted the codes, she hadn't signed the claims, but she was the one in the room. She saw everything. Reporting it meant losing a job she couldn't easily replace. Staying quiet meant being the silent witness to fraud charged to real people's insurance. She documented everything. Dates, codes, her own clinical notes. Then she contacted the state dental board. The investigation took 14 months. The dentist lost his license. She lost her job for 6 of those months, but she was hired by a larger practice before the case even closed. They had read about her. They said they wanted someone they could trust in the room. She was exactly that.